The Bellman once had an important part to play in the local community. In days when people couldn't read, he was the one who informed them of what was going on, not only locally, but nationally, and occasionally internationally. Some had specific uniforms to wear while carrying out their duties, but they all had their handbell, which was rung to grab people's attention. In Alva, in Clackmannanshire, one of the oldest bellmen was John Sinclair. Born and bred in the town, he was a well-kent face in the village, right up until his death. It was said he lived his entire life in Alva and never set foot out of its boundaries. Physically, Sinclair had health issues caused by a fever when he was a baby, and this led him to be unsuited to manual labour, although he was described when a young man as supple and strong. As the years passed, this infirmity, which wasn't disclosed, became more apparent, and finding work became more of a chore. However, he turned his hands to other ways of making a living, including giving music lessons for many years, and this led him to be given the name the Meester. He was also the local letter carrier or postman, bell crier, bill poster, and carried out a plethora of other duties that he was asked to do. Through this work, he would announce funerals, news and events. He would walk the streets of Alva in all weathers, and sometimes even at night if the need arose, ringing his bell loudly, crying out the intimation for all and sundry to hear. He took great pride in his work and carried out his duties diligently. The children of the town liked him, as he always had time for them, listening to their stories of their adventures. They gave him the nickname of Old Kenmure, due to him often singing O Kenmure's on an Awa Willie by Robert Burns. In later years, however, he was heard singing the sad song, The Land o' the Leal, about a dying mother who was going to join her dead daughter. It was said he brought these songs to life, and many found it moving to listen to him as they went about their daily business. During part of the ministry of Mr. Bullock in Alva, Sinclair acted as precentor in the parish church, and during Lent services he was an auxiliary. John Sinclair died on Sunday 17th June 1871, aged 72, the last bellman of Alva. If you enjoyed this episode of Scotland's History, please like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, thank you for watching.